Hello peeps, good evening and very rousing welcome to our very interesting and entertaining program Campus Debate. This is your wonderful and wondrous host Dibya Yadav with you from Speakwell. Right now I am here at a beautiful campus where I am joined by some beautiful and stunning girls and some energetic and enthusiastic boys where we are going to discuss about family. Which family is better, joint family or nuclear family? So let's get started now. Well, firstly let's move to Mr. Sumit to know his opinion about family. Well, Mr. Sumit, what's your opinion about family? Which family is better, joint family or nuclear family?
To my mind, I think joint family is better than nuclear family.
Why do you think joint family is better than nuclear family?
You know, in the joint family there are many members live, and if there are many members live, then absolutely there is a unity, and keeping this unity to any other family or other member or other man, then they can think that there is a unity, and I shouldn't fight to them, and if we live in a joint family, then we won't feel lonely, and because there are elders, fathers, child, and many more children live in the joint family, and in the joint family, if we celebrate any function, then we'll get so enjoyment. On the contrary, if we live in the nuclear family, then we won't get more and more enjoyment in the nuclear family. And so, keeping this point into my account, I think joint family is much better than nuclear family.
Thank you, Mr. Well, Ms. Jyoti, do you support, which family do you support?
I support joint family.
Why do you support joint family?
Since in this family we get plenty and support. In this family, senior member always give advice on the joint family. In this family, when live together, it will help to unity and ensure of from this joint family. Then, on the contrary, in the nuclear family, he feel loneliness and depression. On the contrary, in this joint family, he don't loneliness and depression. So I think joint family is much better than nuclear family.
You know, Ms. Jyoti, in single family, women have a greater liability, and you also a lady, you should also support single family, not joint family.
Yeah, Miss Divya. Single family always two members, and single family member responsibility of comes yearly parents. Then, on the contrary, joint family responsibility of taken by senior member. So I think joint family is much better than nuclear family.
That's lovely. Well, Mr. Sujit, what's your idea about family? Which family is better according to you?
If you ask to me, then I want to say that joint family is better than nuclear family, because in a nuclear family, and if there are lots of people who says that in a joint family we get a lots of problem, and in the joint family quarrel always occur in a family. But I want to tell you that if anyone gets cut his hand, then he won't cut his hand from he won't throw his hand from cut all hand. He bandages it, and if we talk about the joint family, then we want to solve that problem, not we have to divide our family. And keeping this point in my view, joint family is better than single family.
Thank you, Mr. Well, Miss Lisa, what's your thought on family? Which family is better?
I think joint family much better than nuclear family.
Why do you think joint family is much better than nuclear family?
Since we can have super fun when there is any festival function, a joint family support to help and old members.
Well, Mr. Nikhil, what's your opinion about family? Which family is better according to you? I think joint family is much better than nuclear family. Why do you think joint family is better than nuclear family? Since in the joint family we are loved by our grandfather, if there are no chance of kidnapping, if anybody wants to quarrel with joint family, then absolutely we love this quarrel, because I mean to say that if anybody else wants to quarrel with joint family and that person wants to quarrel with that live in nuclear family, that absolutely that person loves this quarrel, because there are lots of members in joint family and there are 3 or 4 members in nuclear family. So I think joint family is better than nuclear family. You know, mister, in single family, you are all from the criticized and quarrels amongst other members of the joint family. How can you say that joint family is better?
If you think then if you quarrel with joint family and you live in single family, then you lost this quarrel. Then I think joint family is much better than nuclear family.
That's cool, Mr. Well, Mr. Prince, what's your thought on family? Which family is better?
I think joint family is much better than nuclear family.
How can you say that joint family is much better than nuclear family?
In a joint family, children get a more attention, and if they trouble any type of problem, then they can share, they can share with their family. And in a joint family, is we want to celebrate any function and any festival, then we need only some money, because in a joint family there are lots of members and they help you in any situation, and in any spend more and more money, because in a joint family there are lots of members and they help you in any situation and they give advice very well, which is important in our life. So that's why I feel joint family is better than nuclear family.
Well, Mr. Ravi, what's your idea about family? Which family is better according to you?
If you ask me, then I will say that nuclear family is better than joint family.
Could you please tell me any two reasons why don't you like joint family?
Since in a nuclear family there is a very less possibility of conflict, and parents can save money for their kids as their fever expenses. On the contrary, in a joint family, parents can't save money for their kids, and there is a very huge possibility of conflict. Then I can say that nuclear family is better than joint family.
Well, Miss Nikita, would you endorse his statement?
Sorry, I disagree with him.
What's your opinion about family? Which family is better?
To me, joint family is better than nuclear family.
Why can you say that joint family is better than nuclear family?
Since if you say family, in that cause other members should live together. That's why I can say that joint family is better than nuclear family.
Well, Mr. Altaf, what's your take on family? Which family is better according to you?
From my point of view, joint family is better than nuclear family.
Why do you think joint family is better than nuclear family?
Because in the joint family we don't feel loneliness and depression, and we live together.
You know, Mister, in single family, you are do anything as per your liking. You go anywhere as per your liking. Where in joint family, you take permission any interest of your family. That's why I can say that joint family is better than single family is better than joint family.
I can say that because I have lots of reason behind it. Because we are go anywhere, then family members stop me. Then why they stop me because they know going to wrong way.
Thank you, Mister. Well, Mr. Javed, what do you think family? Which family is better according to you?
I think nuclear family is better than joint family.
Why do you feel nuclear family is better than joint family?
One is more independent in a single family step. That's why I can say that nuclear family is better than joint family.
Thank you, sir. Well, Mr. Salis, what's your opinion about family? Which family is better according to you?
To me, joint family is much better than single family.
Why do you think joint family is better than single family?
Since a joint family gives support and help to all members, that's why I can say that joint family is much better than nuclear family.
Thank you, Mr. Mr. Aftas, what's your idea about family? Which family is better?
I think joint family is better.
Why do you think joint family is better?
We can have all the members in support you. Then children are forward, they can support ground. That's why joint family is better.
Thank you, sir. Well, Mr. Aris, what's your idea about family? Which family is better than which family is better?
To be honest, if you are a single family, you can save a income and as per your plan.
Well, Mr. Syam, what's your opinion about family? Which family is better?
As far as I am concerned, I feel that joint family is better than nuclear family.
Why do you feel joint family is better than nuclear family?
Since in a joint family there are lots of members live together and you are not alone equal. In a joint family there are more than a stage for learn about our life, because they have grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, mother, father. They give good decision about our life, and people are so much connected to joint family. In a joint family, activities like marriage, puja, construction of house are easily done, as work are distributed. That's why I consider joint family is better than nuclear family.
Thank you, Mr. That's lovely. Well, Mr. Akash, what's your thought on family? Which family is better?
I think joint family is better than nuclear family
Why do you think joint family is better?
because in a joint family you live lot of members in your family and your family members support you always and you dream you good dream in your life and you know how to respect your parents. On the contrary, you live in nuclear family, then you don't know how to respect in your family member. That's why I think joint family.
Thank you, Mr. Well, Mr. Govind, do you agree with his statement?
Yeah, of course, agree.
Why do you support joint family?
Because joint family, the working complex skills and their parents are used by senior family members. I think we say that joint family is better than nuclear family.
Thank you, Mr. Well, Miss Ankita, what's your views on family? Which family is better according to you?
To me, joint family is much better than nuclear family.
Why do you think joint family is much better than nuclear family?
Since we can have support from when there is any function and festival. On the contrary, in this family we get plenty of support. That's why I can say joint family is much better than nuclear family.
Thank you, Miss. That's lovely. Well, Mr. Vikas, what's your views on family? Which family is better according to you?
If I frankly say, then nuclear family is better than joint family because in a nuclear family you are free. As you want to go anywhere, then you can go without taking any permission. And if I talk about the joint family, then if you want to go anywhere, and I am just talking about only girls because in a joint family, if you living in a joint family, yeah, any girls, then whenever you want to go any other party, whenever you want to go any school in a big city, then his uncle, his grandfather, his grandmother don't allow to go that places. And we have also two reasons that we are saying that nuclear family is better. And the first reason is that if you live in a nuclear family, then you can save your money as you like and per month. And if you live in a joint family, then you can't save your money as you like. So keeping this point in my view, I feel that nuclear family is better than joint family.
You know, Mr. In joint family, all the members are lived together. It will also form to help a unity and equality and strength of the family. People also give honor for the strength of the family. That's why you can say that joint family is better than nuclear family.
But Ms. Devi, I would like to say that India is a freedom country. India is not just that country that any other person rule in our country. India is a freedom country. And if you are saying that unity, then unity means you have also unity, and any other member have also unity, because unity means that if you against any person, any other member just like a big personality, then you can create the unity in a nuclear family, because in a nuclear family also your grandfather and grandmother, also your parents, also your brother and sister help you each and every time. And if you talk about in a nuclear family all the members live together, then you want to say that if all the members live together in a joint family, then if any party or any other things will be celebrated by the joint family, then it will create all the members. And many people are thinking that if we live in a joint family, then the quarrel will take place each and every time. But it is just problem of people. The people think that if I live in a joint family, then it's whenever the people think that I live in a joint family, then people have one question in mind. If we live in a joint family, then the quarrel will take place. It is absolutely right, because in a joint family a lot of members, near about the 20 or 22 members live. So keeping this point in my view, I feel that nuclear family is better than joint family.
Thank you, Mr. That's good. Well, guys, thank you for joining us and speaking about this interesting topic. This is your host, Divya Yadav, with camera person Deepak Yadav. Thank you for watching and bye.